Hello all and welcome back. So a video I've been asked for a lot is what can you do if you dislocate your shoulder? And I talked to my PT about that. And he said, go to the ER, a physical therapist, a doctor, whatever. You have so many different blood vessels, nerves, everything that come in there that trying to put it in on your own can be dangerous. However, if you can't get to an ER or things, he did say there is one thing you can try, and that's just rotating, internal rotation, external rotation, keeping your arm to the side. This is less likely to catch the nerves and other tendons and blood vessels and everything else than other manipulative techniques that are usually done to put in a shoulder. So you can try that. So internal is bringing your arm towards your body. External is away from your body and just rotating it. If that doesn't work, get to someone. If you do it on a regular basis, you could ask your doctor, physical therapist, whoever, for what you can do, because then they can show you how to be able to do it without pinching any of those things. One of the problems is that each one of us, and this includes with or without EDS, let me make that very clear. Everyone's body formed differently and forms differently. Where my tendons are and muscles or tendons, ligaments, blood vessels is different than my daughter's, than any of my sons, etc. So the way I would put it in is not necessarily safe for them, and opposite. For that reason, I don't want to show you, and he did not want to give any ideas on how to do it, because the way you would put it in may be different than the way anyone else would need to put theirs in, or the way I would put mine in to prevent damage to those things. So please, if someone shows you how to put your shoulder back in, be aware that is them. Unless it is a physical therapist or a doctor who has felt your shoulder, has put it back in for you a few times to know exactly where everything is in it, so that then he can show you how you need to put it in. He or she can show you how you need to put it in for your body, not how it works for someone else's body. Because the damage that can be done, if you pinch a blood vessel, especially with our bodies, you pinch a blood vessel, there is a chance actually you'll pop that blood vessel. You have an artery running down your arm. If you were to pinch that artery, you could die. It's that serious. I'm not trying to make light of it. And I don't want you to make light of it and think, oh, it's something simple. In this case, shoulders are not something to make light of. You could kill yourself by putting your shoulder in wrong. It may sound weird. It may sound strange. It's possible. And I would hate for any of you to think that it's simple, that it's not a big deal. Go and do it because someone showed you how, and end up dying because of it. So, external and internal. The reason these work is because you have muscles supporting everything else. And so it kind of just moves things around a little bit without allowing you to catch those. Anything else, any of the other ways, I don't know, that have been shown can catch. And we don't want that. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.